Hey, I've got an exercise to help you develop your ear as well as your understanding of the fretboard. So I've got a C major 7 chord vamping in the background here, and your first step is just to play all of the C's, so all of the root notes on each one of the strings, to lock in where those notes are and how they sound over that C major 7 chord. Your next step would be to play all of the thirds, so that would be the note E. So if you get through all of the root notes and you feel like you've got that really well under control, try the thirds and really listen to how that third sounds over that major 7 chord. Next step would be to try to develop some riffs starting on the third. And the track that I'm using goes through all 12 major 7 chords, and it spends about 2 minutes on each one of them. So you get a really good workout and can really test yourself to get through all of the material and all over the guitar neck. I also have a worksheet and other various info on my website. I'll drop all those links in the comments.